So hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the documentation for Clash Masters, a game I just made where you control that crowd and fight against those enemies. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so once you open the project, here is what you've got. So let's play a little bit to try it. Okay, so here I have this skin. You have a shop here where you can change the skin of the character with a rewarded video to earn 100 coins. There also is a color wheel which you can use to change the color of your runners. Okay, so it's pink, yellow. I like yellow. Okay, let's do it. Tap to play. Okay, so here when you pass through a door, you earn more soldiers. If I hit the spikes, I lose soldiers. Okay, cool. And at the end, there's this bonus line. Okay, perfect. Interstitial. Okay, next. Here you can also upgrade your army, so you have now 3 starting soldiers. Oh, it's already started running. Okay, so I need to fix this too, I guess. Alright. So 41, I think I'm gonna be left with 1 soldier. Okay. Alright. So, okay, cool. There are 3 main points that I noted that you might want to change. So the first one is to change the upgrade price of your army. So to do so, you gotta click on the develop gameplay squad parent. Here in the inspector, you can see that there are squad prices. So these are the prices for the squad. So for instance, if I only have 1 upgrade available, if I hit play here, you can see that it's written max. You've reached the max level, so you can't upgrade anymore. But you can add as many upgrades as you want. So for instance, if the player pays 100, you're gonna have like 2 starting runners and so on. Okay, cool. After that, I think you might want to change the ads IDs. So to do so, be sure to uncheck test mode here. If you want to use add mob or Unity ads, you select it here. Here you select if you are on Android or iOS. You can change the interstitial frequency, so how many game overs before the player see an interstitial. The banner position, if you want to enable it or disable it. And here your IDs, of course. For Android and AdMob, I think there is another setting. I think it's in Assets, Mobile Ads Settings. Okay, here. You mustn't forget to add your app ID here for Android or for iOS, depending on what platform you're aiming or targeting. Okay, cool. Next thing, and the last one is the addition of a new level. So if you want to add a new level, you're going to develop gameplay here, Road Manager. Okay, so for instance, there are 15 levels. So let's say we want to add another level. So let's click here the plus button. Okay, so now we are at 16. When you develop this, you have the chunks. So here the level 16 has 12 chunks. Okay? I think it's better that we only set 1 level so that I can show you. Okay, so if we have 1 level, the level will have 3 chunks. So the initial chunk, the door chunk, this one that you can find here, an enemy chunk. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Let's use top view. Okay, perfect. So you can see that you have the initial chunk, the door chunk, and the enemy chunk. Okay, let's say that I want to edit this level. So I'm going to select the road manager once again. And instead of, let's leave this one. Okay. Let's say I want to add another chunk. So I'm going to click this one, duplicate it with Control D, double click it to edit it. Okay, so here I have two doors. I can edit those doors. So you're going to select the doors parent. The right bonus will be multiplied by, let's say, multiply by 4 maybe, and here we are gonna add 20. Okay, let's save this one, and here you can rename this just to be sure. So it's, I think it was plus 20 and times 4. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna reselect the road manager. I'm gonna drag and drop this over here. Okay, so now if I hit play, I should be able to see these doors. Times 4 plus 20. Awesome. Okay, let's try it. So I have 80 soldiers here. 53 times 4 I should have. Okay. So here there is an issue because it only added 4. It did not multiply it. Okay, let's investigate this together. So here we have times 4 plus 20. So multiply by 4, add 20. Colliders, okay. What's the issue here? Okay, so this is weird. Let's try this again. $83, okay, 53 times 4. Oh, it's only adding 6 soldiers. Huh. Wait. What about the other door? Okay. So I should have 73. Come on, it's working here. Okay, let's investigate together. So squad parent here, squad detection. It's a good opportunity so I can show you how the game works actually. So let's open the squad detection. So detect doors. When we detect a door, collider, get parent incoming door, randoms amount to add collider door that get randoms amount to add collider door, transform the child count. Okay, so let's check this one. Disable doors. Okay, so first off, we disable the doors so that you don't hit 2 doors at once. Current runners amount. Okay, bonus equals bonus. If collider.transformed position is greater than 0, write bonus. Okay, get runners amount to add. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, so here is the. So we had 53 runners, and it was times 4. It was times 4, okay? So normally I should have 53 times 4. Let's open the, not the command, come on. Calculator. So 53 times 4 minus 53. Okay, so we should add 159. Okay, so let's go back to our, I think it was squad detection, add runners amount to add. Let's debug this. So let's check if the code gets this right first. Log runners to add, runners amount to add. Okay. Okay, so here we have, let's clear this, 83, cool, and here, runners to add 6, okay, so we've got an issue clearly. So the issue comes from here, collider.get runners amount to add. Okay, let's check, log, transform.child count, child count. child count. Okay. Transform.child count. Oh, okay. Got this. I got this. Okay, good. I think I know now. Runner squad formation. Where is the squad detection? Runner's parent. Okay, got this. Let me try something. Let me try this first. I think this should be. I think this should work now. So just to be sure, we should have 212 soldiers. Okay, so 83, cool. 212, okay. Well, that is a big pyramid. Perfect. Okay, nice. It's working. Super cool. So you got the opportunity to see a little bit of the code and how to add a new level too. I hope this was interesting and you understood. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me either in the comment section of this YouTube video or in the comment section of the Sell My App page, or contact me by email. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.